Overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, is the best way to understand how much capacity your factory is actually utilizing. In this video, we will break down how you can improve your plant's performance by identifying and addressing the 6 big losses. The reality is that most plants operate around 60% OEE, while world-class facilities achieve 85%. That significant gap represents hidden capacity that you already own and are currently paying for. OEE is calculated by multiplying 3 factors: availability, performance, and quality. World-class standards for these are 90% availability, 95% performance, and 99% quality. Every point of OEE lost falls into one of 6 categories: breakdowns and changeovers for availability, minor stops and reduced speed for performance, and process defects or startup rejects for quality. Pinpointing these losses is the first step to resolving them. Many of these losses, such as frequent 30-second minor stops, are invisible on manual clipboards. By using real-time measurement, you can make these hidden losses visible the moment they occur, allowing you to actually fix the issues draining your productivity. This approach is proven. For example, one line at Hutchinson improved from 47% to 72% OEE simply by making those losses visible. They achieved much higher output with the same people and machines. You can uncover the hidden capacity on your own lines with a 60-day guided pilot. Visit the website in this video to learn more and book your pilot. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into optimizing factory performance.